In this video, I'll show you how to reduce background noise in OBS Studio. This can help if your microphone picks up fan noise, room noise, keyboard sounds, or a constant hiss. First, open OBS Studio. Look at the audio mixer at the bottom. Find your microphone source. This might be called mic/AUX, microphone, or whatever name you gave it. Click the three dots next to your microphone, then click Filters. This opens the Filters window for your microphone. Now click the plus button. Choose Noise Suppression. Give the filter a name or leave it as Noise Suppression. Then click OK. OBS will now add a noise suppression filter to your microphone. You may see different noise suppression methods depending on your system. If you see RN noise, this is usually a good option for voice. If you see another option, you can test it and choose the one that sounds best. Now speak into your microphone and listen to a test recording. The background noise should be lower. If you still hear noise when you are not talking, you can also add a noise gate. Click the plus button again. Choose Noise Gate. A noise gate helps cut off microphone sound when your voice is below a certain level. Be careful with this setting. If the threshold is too strong, it can cut off the start or end of your words. Make a short test recording and listen back. If your voice sounds clear and the background noise is reduced, the settings are working. If your voice sounds robotic or too processed, lower the effect or remove one of the filters. And that's it. You've now reduced background noise in OBS Studio.